everybody. Hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did another venison recipe. I did Mongolian venison. I'm a big fan of Oriental food, so I love Mongolian beef. So I did a little play on it with my venison. Pretty simple and straightforward. I'll put the list of ingredients down below so you'll know all the measurements, but I just took my venison, washed it off good, soaked it so I could clean it off. Then I just tenderized it, battered it, fried it, and then I made my sauce, rolled it in the sauce and cooked it in the sauce for maybe 15 minutes to let it reduce down a little bit more. And then I threw in some chopped onions that I had and served it over rice, and that was it. It's, like I said, pretty simple and straightforward. I'll put everything down below, ingredients and directions if you want to make it. You can use chicken, pork, beef as well, and it does really good. Anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.